Dude, what is that? You've been doing it all morning.
Sneezing, can't you tell?
Not really. You sound like the world's angriest baby. What's wrong with you?
My throat is itchy. Achoo. My breath is wheezy. Achoo. My eyes are watering. Achoo.
Sounds like worms. I think you've got worms. Just squat over a bowl of milk and whistle till they come out.
No, dude, I think I'm allergic to something.
Don't worry, my friend. Whatever it is, we will find it, and we will not rest until we find you a cure, and you will be rid of this terrible affliction. I promise.
So, when?
When what?
Chow!
Oh, bad. Well, now I guess.
So the symptoms are a weird empty sensation in my stomach, a feeling of lightheadedness, and an unusual amount of saliva in my mouth when I think of food. I checked on the internet, and apparently it might be something called the G virus, which can only be cured by cutting off the infected part or the removal of the brain.
I'm gonna prescribe 2 weeks off and a couple of heavy sedatives a day for 6 weeks.
Thank you.
No, that's for me. What you just described is called being hungry. Now, for the last time, please get out of my office so I can curl up under my desk and revise my career choices.
But I told you I need...
Hi, Darwin can't stop
I
speaking.
was here first. I was just
Just a
about to
second.
get some medication.
How can I help you?
Achoo.
Right. Sounds like a simple allergy. Just hold it in and get back to class.
Oh, okay. You should never hold in a sneeze. It's very dangerous. You could pop a blood vessel or even worse.
Is she right?
What she is a pain in the neck who makes my job a nightmare.
If you have a pain in the neck, you should really consult a medical professional because your vertebrae may have slipped out of alignment, which could be a sign of something more serious.
Have a nice day.
Aren't you supposed to take care of kids who are ill?
Have a nice day.
But we still don't know what he's allergic to.
Have a nice day.
I feel like you're trying to tell us something.
Have a nice...
I'll never know what she was gonna say now.
What are we gonna do?
We're gonna need to find an alternative to traditional medicine.
Did I hear someone talk about alternative medicine? Alternative medicines are often ridiculed for being a bunch of magic baloney practiced by a gang of almost criminal bozos. But look at me. You can tell right away it is no laughing matter.
Yeah, it's definitely a bit sad.
So, the plan is to clean your energy by absorbing the toxins with the power of this unbreakable crystal. The power of these 2 unbreakable crystals.
How does that work?
I don't know. The magazine this came with went bankrupt after 2 editions. I'll just, do this. How does that feel?
Good. I think
I'm not okay.
Don't worry, I've got a diploma in the ancient art of acupuncture.
Really?
Yeah, I bought it on the internet. It came with a scuba diving license and a dog breeding permit.
Ow. Oh, I'm not there. Oh.
Well, on a pain scale of 1 to 10, this looks like it would score at least, Somebody please finish me off. Every second of my tragic existence is pure agony.
Don't worry, acupuncture is completely painless.
You're right. I can't feel pain.
Or anything from the neck down.
Yeah, I couldn't remember the exact energy points I needed to strike, so better safe than sorry. But hey, at least it worked. You haven't sneezed for a whole...
I can smell dancing and taste purple. Are there going to be any more side effects?
L'ananas enigmatico cuando das un bikini. I'm sorry. What I meant to say was... Oh.
Yeah, I think the best thing to do is just ignore it. I mean, how bad can it get? Do you have any 9s?
No. Go fish.
It's the other people that I'm worried about. I think your allergy is starting to seriously get on their nerves.
What do you mean? I'm lactose intolerant. Probably.